Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable 2FA on Kraken account login, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken account, first, log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of the account settings. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on this option to begin the setup process. You will be presented with a choice of authentication methods. Choose either the Authenticator app or SMS as your preferred method. If you select the Authenticator app, you will need to download an Authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, on your smartphone. After installing the app, open it and select the option to add a new account. Next, you will see a QR code on your Kraken screen. Using your Authenticator app, scan the QR code. This action will add your Kraken account to your Authenticator app. Once the account is added, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter the 6-digit code into the corresponding field on the Kraken website. If you selected SMS instead, enter your phone number and confirm it by following the prompts. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Input the verification code to complete the setup. After entering the code, two-factor authentication should be successfully enabled. Make sure to save any backup codes provided during this setup process. These backup codes are essential if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app or phone. Finally, log out and attempt to log back into your Kraken account to test that 2FA is functioning correctly. If prompted, use your Authenticator app or SMS code to log in. Your Kraken account is now secured with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.